Yeah, yeah, yeah. I like you. Don't know why I do. Probably cause you crazy, but it seems like you want me, so I want you to call my phone.
So my name is Hansi and I'm originally from Germany, live in Salt Lake now, and I produce hip-hop. I produce music because I just feel so free when I am producing, like just sitting down, focusing on just the moment, and ultimately it's super rewarding when I'm able to bring in other singers and rappers and let them express themselves how they want to on top of my music and use it as a platform.
Down, 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 all my senses go. 'Cause you got it, you got it. You know, you know. You make me do what I would not do.
Basically, I start with like a tempo and then I make an 8-bar drum loop that I can just jam to, and then I basically make an 8-bar loop that sounds really good to me, and then once I like that, I'm thinking like, okay, should this be the chorus or the verse? Because like maybe I don't know yet. And then I'll loop it out a bit and add, subtract from it a bit, and then I'll think like, what can I do for a chorus or a verse, depending on what I decided it should be. But basically I start with the drums, start with the beat, and I actually pretty often will change the beat once I have like the chords recorded, the bass, all of that, just to make it all mesh. So that's my process. I like that note.
You say that you love me, but your actions speaking different. What you do when I'm not there is clearly still my business. How I'm supposed to take this, know how I'm gonna shake this. Feeling like I love you, but you looking snakish. Yeah, yeah. I can't even trust your love, I can't even think on us.